Welcome to JSGMB News.
We are live in Miami, Florida. First on the news today, a small boy fell into a pond and was attacked by an alligator.
Luckily, a few bystanders reached the boy quickly enough to pull the boy out. The boy was rushed to the hospital where he lost his right index finger, but otherwise he's okay.
Now let's hand it over to Jamie with the weather.
There is a cold front sweeping across the nation from the southeast. Is forming. There are heavy showers in the Washington state area. Weather is hot in California, Nevada, and Arizona where there are a few clouds. There is temperatures of 70 to 80 degrees in the rest of the states. Now to Gabby for the 5-day forecast.
Thanks, Jamie. Today we're expecting sunny, clear weather and slight winds. Over the week, the humidity and wind speed will increase. We're having maritime tropical air masses and cumulus clouds. On Friday and Saturday, we are expecting a Category 4 hurricane with wind speeds of 131 miles to 150 miles per hour. As the tropical depression moves closer, it has been named Pablo. Meteorologists predict that this could be the most disastrous hurricane in a century, with extreme damage and over $47 billion of damage. Well, have a great day. And now to Brianna with the Anatomy of a Hurricane.
Hi, I'm Brianna on the Anatomy of a Hurricane. A hurricane is a giant, whirling storm accompanied by destructive winds of 74 to 200 miles an hour, heavy rains, high waves, and tides, which also are called tropical cyclones. As you can see, the eye of a hurricane is the center of a hurricane that the storm rotates around. The eye has very low pressure, clear weather, and calm winds. The eye wall is a cylinder of thick whirling clouds and rain that surround the eye of the hurricane. A hurricane that slowly spirals inward as it rotates has long lines of thunderstorms. A storm surge is elevated water levels produced by a hurricane. What does a hurricane need? For a hurricane to develop, the ocean needs to be more than 80 degrees Fahrenheit because it provides energy for the hurricane and causes more evaporation, making humid air and clouds. It also needs to include winds coming together, forcing air upward. Winds flow outward above the storm, allowing the air to rise, making the clouds of the storm last. Lastly, light winds outside the hurricane steer it and let it grow. Now, finally, back to Melissa on the hurricane categories.
Thanks, Brianna. Here are some information on hurricane categories. Category 1, wind speeds of 74 to 95 miles per hour. Storm surge is 4 to 5 feet with minimal damage. Category 2, wind speeds of 96 to 110 miles per hour. Storm surge is 6 to 8 feet with moderate damage. Category 3, wind speeds of 111 to 130 miles per hour. Storm surge is 9 to 12 feet with extensive damage. Category 4, wind speeds of 131 to 155 miles per hour. Storm surge is 13 to 18 feet with extreme damage. And Category 5, with winds more than 155 miles per hour, storm surge more than 18 feet, and a catastrophic damage. I'm Melissa from JSGMB News. Have a good night.
Welcome to JSGMB News. In Tallahassee, the annual Mini Olympics will be held on October 21st to 22nd. Ages 16 to 35 will be allowed to enter.
I should totally enter!
Good luck with that.
Okay.
Now to Gabby with more information on Hurricane Pablo.
Thanks, Melissa. Hurricane Pablo started as a tropical depression in the southern Atlantic Ocean. It migrated north as a tropical storm heading straight for Miami. It has just hit and everyone should evacuate immediately. Here is an enlarged satellite photo of Hurricane Pablo. It is a Category 4 hurricane and has caused a lot of damage. Wait, breaking news, Summer is at the scene of Hurricane Pablo.
Thanks, Gabby. As you can see, Hurricane Pablo has very strong winds, up to 155 miles per hour. It is a Category 4 hurricane and just hit the shore. It has a storm surge of about 13 to 15 feet. It is causing extreme damage and is obviously extensive flooding is expected to be in the area of one more day before moving through the oh my god.
Sorry for experiencing technical difficulties.
But that was Summer live on scene. This has been JSGMB News. Thank you,
And have a good night. Go.
And the anatomy of the hurricane consists of. A hurricane that slowly spirals inward as it rotates, have long. Oh. A hurricane that slowly spirals inward, rotates. I don't get this. It also needs to include winds coming together, forcing air upward. Winds flowing outward above the storm. I can't take this.
Wait, can you see all of us? Wait, you're recording!
You're recording.
You're recording!
I don't get this.
You mind?
This is the real hurricane. Wait.
Hair done by Jamie and Lisa Chesney.
Oh my gosh.
Jamie, wake me.
Oh, let's look at the hurricane. Oh, look at that. Oh, we are a mess. Look. Oh, and look at the table. Oh my gosh.
Well, have a great day.
Good luck with that.